What does 5% nicotine content mean in vape juice?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a question that we often get asked. What does 5% nicotine content mean in vape juice? This is an important concept for vapers to understand, especially if you're trying to manage or understand your nicotine intake.
What is nicotine?
To understand what 5% nicotine content means, we first need to grasp what nicotine is. It's a highly addictive substance found in tobacco plants. It's the chemical responsible for the addictive quality of cigarettes, cigars, and other tobacco products.
What does 5% nicotine content mean?
When we say a vape juice has a 5% nicotine content, it means that 5% of the total volume of the vape juice is made up of nicotine. This is also often referred to as a nicotine strength of 50 milligrams per milliliter, as milligrams per milliliter, milligram per milliliter, is the standard measurement for nicotine concentration in vape juices. To put it simply, if you have a 10 milliliters bottle of vape juice with a 5% nicotine content, that means there's 0.5 milliliters of pure nicotine in that bottle.
How does nicotine content affect your vaping experience?
Nicotine content directly impacts the throat hit and the nicotine satisfaction you get from vaping. A higher nicotine content will give a stronger throat hit and provide more nicotine per puff. If you're a former heavy smoker, you might prefer a higher nicotine content to mimic the sensation and satisfaction from smoking. On the other hand, if you're a light smoker or a beginner vapor, you might prefer a lower nicotine content to avoid overwhelming throat hit and nicotine intake.
How to choose the right nicotine content?
Choosing the right nicotine content depends on your personal preference and smoking history. If you're vaping as a means to quit smoking, you might start with a higher nicotine content and gradually reduce it over time. If you're vaping for the flavor or just for fun, you might choose a lower nicotine content or even nicotine-free vape juice. Remember, vaping, like smoking, carries health risks. It's important to be fully informed and careful about your nicotine consumption. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what 5% nicotine content means in vape juice. Remember to make informed decisions about your vaping habits, considering both enjoyment and potential health implications. Stay safe and happy vaping!